to Viggo's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making homemade guacamole. And I'm going to introduce you to the items and ingredients. A sharp knife, a cutting board, a bowl, 1 clove of garlic, 1 lime, 3 avocado, Himalayan sea salt, and a citrus squeezer. And that's it. First, I'm going to start with cutting the 1 clove of garlic. And don't forget to ask your father or your mother to help you cutting any bit of the guacamole. It's because safety should always be put first. So always ask an adult when you're cutting stuff with sharp knives. Cut it until it's really fine, like this. Now it's time to dump it in. Next is the lime. Now it's time to cut the lime. Be very careful of your fingers, and you should ask an adult. Now it's time to juice it. There's lots of types of juicers, but for this one I'm using this. Now it's time to juice. And it's a workout for your arms. Look, there's already some juice. Look, you can even see it drip. Now there's a lot of stuff here, see? Look, a lot more line to go. I find it's a little easier to use my hands, but you can also use the lid too. And now it's time for the second half. This one is fully juiced. Look how it's going. There's a lot of juice in there. And it's really juicy, this one, and nice and ripe. It's best to have it ripe, but not super ripe. Almost there. You have to try it. It tastes so amazing. Amazingly good. It even smells good. Now we're done. Something's in there. Now the time to dump it in. And limes taste amazing. And when you're done, make sure to put it in the compost. time for the avocado. Time to cut. And when you get to the pit, go around. Now it's time to open it. And now we're going to de-pit it. Or try to remove the pit. And you can make your own avocado tree with this. Just plant the seed and you have an avocado. And now it's time to move this avocado to the side, and next is the next avocado. Time to cut the next avocado. There you have it, your avocado. Try another one. And look, you have your other pit. Try to de-pit the avocado. Now for the next avocado. Now for the next bit. This one's a toughie too. Now it's time to scoop the insides out. Now it's time to dump that piece of avocado back right into here. Now it's time to inside the other avocado. Now try to dump it in. Now for the next, and next, and then the next, and then now we're on to the last avocado. That's it for all the avocado. And now it's time to add a healthy, big pinch of salt. Himalayan sea salt. Now it's time to mash. But first, let's take a peek. I like to use a fork, but you can use anything. It takes about 2 minutes to mix. Boy, does it look delicious. Almost done. Just a little more and we'll be done. We're pretty much done. Want to take a peek? And now it's time to eat it with some chips. It's time to taste test. And it's going to be great. The best is to eat it while it's fresh. It's so good. You have to try it. If if you like this video, please subscribe and please press the like button. And I'm going to see you in the next videos. The next creations are going to be great. See you next time. Bye for now.